Hello and welcome to this course on Apache Hadoop. My name is Sijesh and this is a continuation of previous tutorial, and this video we will set up HDFS. Okay, so we already have done the prerequisites. Once it's done, so let's reboot the system, and once it's rebooted, let's reconnect it back using the root credential, and once prompted, type the password and log in as root user. So if you have already downloaded the packages for Apache Hadoop and Java, so you can transfer to this host using WinSCP or any other utility. And you can see that now hostname has changed to master1.hadoop.com, and I'm going to create a directory user Java for uncompressing or unzipping the Java, okay, which I have downloaded and copied to this machine. And we can verify that by typing the ls command using /user java jdk, and in the bin directory we have all the executables available. And make a note of this directory, and we may need this directory. And the next we will create a directory for our Hadoop, and we have downloaded this Hadoop 2.70 and uncompress it to this current working directory, and now you can see the directory created 2.70. Copy all the files from this directory to /opt Hadoop directory. You can use cp command to copy this, cp*-rf opt Hadoop. So now we have placed all Hadoop executables and libraries, everything inside /opt Hadoop, and we can change the ownership of this directory to Hadoop, so which we have already created. Hadoop is the user and Hadoop is the group also. Now we will switch to Hadoop user, and we may need to set some of the environment variables here. Use bash_profile. So this is the profile file, and here we need to add couple of environment variable. So I'm adding that as like Hadoop variable, and these are the variables which I am setting. So Hadoop home, then Hadoop common home, and which are same, and Hadoop HDFS home, so that is also same as Hadoop home, and MapRed home, which is also Hadoop home, and yarn home, which is also Hadoop home. And I'm setting 2 more parameters, and finally setting the path also. Once it's done, so we can save this. So I will be adding this environment variable detail in the description. And once we have done, so we can run source bash_profile, so that the bash profile will be executed. And here we are getting, why we are getting this error, so we have not set Java home, so that we will be setting later. And next we need to set core site HTML and Hadoop site HTML for XML. So first we will open core site XML, and here we need to set few parameters under configuration. So in between configuration, so we will add that. Now I'm getting an error message like it's a read only, so it's not having the right access for my ID. So I'm just changing to root user and changing the ownership using in a recursive way /opt Hadoop, and again come back to the Hadoop user using su command. So open the same file, and under this file I'm just adding the property. So, and I need to add the open and closing tag for property, and the name is fs.defaultfs and its value. So here I have to write my HDFS fs name, so which is nothing but master1.hadoop.com, and the port where I need to run HDFS service or name node service, so it's a 9000. Save it, and I need to edit one more file, which is HDFS site XML. So open the file HDFS-site XML. Here also I need to add a couple of properties like the name node and a data node property. So I will add that in this tag, property tag, and the name is dfs.data.dir. So this is the directory location where our data node files are, our actual data is located. So it's file means it's in my local directory under opt volume data node, and I can add that. And another thing, I need this one more property, so which is for the name node, and I'm using the same set of tags, the name dfs.name.dir. so this is the directory corresponding to the name node. And for value, I can add the value like under opt volume and name node. So these two directories I need to create, then complete the tag. So that's it, dfs.name.dir and dfs.data.dir. Once it's completed, go ahead and save. Next, we will go to the root user and create these directories like /opt volume name node. So use -p flag so that even if the volume directory doesn't exist, it will create that. And one is for name node, and then another directory data node. So these two directory has to be created. Then once it's done, I have to change the ownership for Hadoop. So the user is Hadoop and group is also Hadoop, and change it for opt volume completely so that it will affect for name node and data node. So next I have to switch back to Hadoop user and test. So here in this file, the slaves, so this file define the data node where this data node services to run. Since it's a single node setup, I'm writing my host name as master1.hadoop.com. So now I can just use a HDFS name node format command to format my name node. So execute the command. Try to execute the command HDFS. Yeah, it's there, name node -format. Right, so this will format the name node, and again I'm getting the error message Java home is not set. So we need to set the Java_home environment variable. So we can open that environment variable from here, opt Hadoop etc, then Hadoop, then it's a Hadoop-env.sh, and before that we need to make a note of this location /user java jdk, and so this is the directory, and open the same file opt Hadoop etc Hadoop-env.sh, and not this one, env.sh. So here you can see it's exporting Hadoop Java_home. So replace or delete that and add the actual Java path, save it, that's it. And now I can format the name node using Hadoop name node -format. So this will format our name node, and it will take some time, and so that's it. So this has formatted our name node. Now I can execute the command start dfs.sh. It will start all the name node as well as the data node services. So since it's the first time and it's asking certificate confirmation, go ahead and type yes and confirm. So you can see like various log file where it's logging, and you can use the JPS command to see the commands process, what are the Java process running. But the JPS command itself is not running because let's check whether it's in our Java path. Yes, it's there in the Java path, but we have not added this into our path variable. So again back to bash profile file, so where we are setting the path, add that path line also, then use a colon, then use this Java bin, right? So now again source or dot slash, so whatever you like you can use, both will do the same thing. Now you can type JPS, see the secondary name node, data node, and name node is running. Now let's execute HDFS command, HDFS dfs. Df will show all the disk available in HDFS. Now you can see our file system, total size and use size and its usage. And now let's create a directory under /user whatever the name, Hadoop. So execute this, and it's saying /user Hadoop. The reason is the /user directory does not exist. And then first create /user and then create /user Hadoop. So now it's working. Let's confirm it using HDFS DFS ls command. So it's a listing /user. Under /user we have this Hadoop directory. Let's just create a simple file and try to upload into Hadoop. So it's abc.txt and echo some lines to that. Okay, hello world. Then into abc.txt. Okay, so now you can see the abc.txt. So this is the content, and use HDFS DFS -put. Put command is used to upload this file into HDFS, and I'm placing this directory or file into the directory /user Hadoop. So if you list the content of /user Hadoop using ls command, you can see this abc.txt under. And again, if you want to get the content, you can use a cat command. See, this is a hello world. Okay, so that's it about this demo. I hope you enjoyed. So we will see in the next video. Thank you for watching. So please do subscribe and keep watching. Bye.